When customers search near me, Google does not show websites first. It shows maps. And if your business is not there, your competitor get the call. But here is what most people still don't understand. Google Business Profile is no longer just a listing. It's a ranking system, a trust filter and a lead mission. But only if you create it in the right way in 2026. This video will explain how. So make sure you watch this video till the end because this is not another random Google Business Profile creation video. Hi, I am Shabhnam from GBP Wizards, and from 2022 onwards, we have been helping business owners to create Google Business Profiles safely, verify profiles without getting stuck, fix errors like phone number not showing, recover suspension profiles, optimize profiles to generate real calls and inquiries. So far, we have helped 1400 plus business owners worldwide build stable, trusted, and call generating Google Business Profiles. In this video, we'll explain the common mistakes that most business owners make during creation. Let's be very clear. In 2026, Google Business Profile is your digital storefront, local ranking signal, free lead generation system. When people search salon near me, clinic near me, handyman near me, they are ready to call, and Google decides who get those calls. If your profile is created incorrectly, verified the wrong way, or not trusted by Google, you will not get calls, even if demand is very high. We'll create a Google Business Profile in 2 safe steps. Gather the right pre-requirements and create the profile the correct way. Step 1. Gathering pre-requirements. This is the most important step. Don't skip this. Before opening Google, keep these ready. Business name, primary business category, physical address or service area, phone number, stable and reachable, website, optional but recommended, business description, no offers and no promotions in it, services list, service areas if applicable, and business operating hours, real business photos like location, branding and work proof. Importantly, any mismatch, fake detail or over optimization can cause verification failure or suspension later. Step 2. Google Business Profile creation and 2026 safest method. Open your browser and go to business.google.com. Click add a new business. Business name. Enter your exact brand name. Do not add keywords, city names, extra services. Google checks this later. Business category. Choose the most accurate primary category. This decides where you rank, who sees you, how many calls you get. Wrong category is equal to low visibility. Most people either add too many categories or don't choose the correct one. For example, we are a digital marketing agency. Our primary category is internet marketing services. We also provide website design and graphic design. So we add website designing agency and marketing agency. While creating, don't add more than 5 categories. Physical location. If your customers visit your location, select us. Otherwise, no. Enter the address carefully. Google cross-checks this with maps and real-world data. Map pin, very important. Adjust the map pin manually if needed. Wrong pin is equal to wrong customers. Many profiles fail verification because Google auto suggests the wrong pin. Pin is placed on the road. Pin is 200 to 500 meters away from the actual location. And always make sure that the pin is placed inside the exact premises. Service areas if applicable. If you visit customers, add your service area. Do not exceed 20 areas. Do not add areas more than 2 hours away. Overdoing this can trigger suspension. Contact details. Add your phone number carefully. Make sure it's active, it belongs to the business, and you don't change it frequently. Avoid using a phone number that is already listed on multiple Google Business Profiles. During verification, if you generate too many OTPs, avoid that number. Website is optional. But if you have a website, make sure SSL, HTTPS is activated. And verification. Google may offer SMS, email, video verification, and postcode. Choose only what Google provides and follow the instructions carefully. Don't retry verification again and again if it fails. Services. Add only real services to provide. This helps Google understand relevance. Business hours. Set accurate business hours. Do not select the open 24 hours option unless it's true. Business description. Write a clear professional description. Avoid offers, prices, emojis, links, and promotional language. Many people add phone numbers, website links, contact now CTS. Don't do this. Photos. Upload real high quality photos. Location, branding and work proof. Avoid stock images and AI generated images. Using them cause verification failures. Skip ads and workspace. you can safely skip Google Ads in Google Workspace. Quick reminder, before we moving ahead, if you are a local business owner or someone managing Google business profiles, subscribe to GBP Wizards channel. We regularly share Google business profile updates, real case studies, verification and suspension solutions, advanced optimization strategies. So you stay updated with what's actually working on Google. If you follow everything we explained in this video, many profiles get verified instantly, or it will take 3 to 7 days to get verified. If you face any issue, comment below or contact us directly. And don't forget to check other videos in our channel for verification, phone number and suspension fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.